Is everybody in Dead by
flavors.
Daylight? We getting this?
I've never played this game.
Perfect.
Who's waiting? Who's waiting? Ready up, dude? Just ready up.
What are these
I was
perks?
picking. No, let Sluggo pick his perks,
Don't pick
man.
the perks, dude.
I'm picking perks, man.
What the fuck's going on?
We're some
Sluggo,
perk
ready up.
picking people.
Pick the perks, Sluggo.
Sluggo's ready.
I'm
Everybody
picking
else ready up.
perks. Hey, I ain't picking
killer.
perks.
Don't let the killer set the tempo. Don't let the killer. We're going
Yeah,
out to have a
no.
picnic and to fix some generators because we're part of a crew of people who love to fix generators in weird places. We're part of a volunteer group. We met on a phone app called Fixer. This is just people who love to meet up and go fix shit. It's just like a
the middle of the
I don't know,
woods.
it's super fetish. Oh, and Coach from Left 4 Dead is the killer, and Bill is one of the survivors. Makes sense.
Perks
Perks
disabled.
disabled.
Oh, come on. Oh, somebody else host. Get this.
Sorcerer
Oh my
Supremo.
God.
Look at Sorcerer Supremio. Look at this cloud out here.
Supremio.
Ready up. Everybody.
Fake ass Supremus.
Ton.
Sorcerer Supremio.
Supremio.
It's not my name.
What do I do?
Look, man.
We're going out here to fix generators. Just
You
fix
gonna
generators,
report to me.
hang out with
Report
Dizza,
me your location. I'll help you fix the generator.
smoke some
No.
bones, have a barbecue.
Sounds best.
You know, really, just do whatever you enjoy.
I'll take care of you, Sluggo.
The whole
It's like-
point of this game is that we all are going to die by daylight. We're just going to live this last night like nobody's watching.
I don't want to die though. You said do whatever you want. I don't want to die.
Oh, you beat
He's
the
got you
game.
there.
No, you
Yeah.
did it.
Oh,
Nobody ever thought of that before. I usually just dance until I die.
Have you guys actually played this DDO MMO?
DDR. The MMO? Oh my god.
DDR, the holy smoke.
Legs across the
I didn't
world.
shit out of that.
I play that.
I'm so sick of dead games, dude. Every game we play dead.
Hey,
the
it said we
title?
were supposed to start together. Okay, I got one guy. Where's the other guys?
Ah,
Go away from me.
I got no one.
you.
I see Bill.
No, you don't. I'm a trained.
My item said
Green
everybody
beret.
starts the same spot.
Greetings, Bill.
What up, Ted?
What do we do?
Wait a minute.
What number am I thinking of?
69, dudes!
You can tell Champ's really focused right now because he hasn't said shit.
Right.
Like, oh man, I'm gonna kill these guys. I'm fucking get them. Oh!
Run! Oh!
Bob
What's
Ross.
the matter? Can't catch an old man? Still got the music like he's on me, but I don't know if he's on me. Is the no perks thing on for real?
Legit, for real.
Yeah, that explains a lot of what's happening.
Difficulty now.
Because you took away any
No.
possible
No
abilities
power perks, huh?
in a game
Who's
where
that?
the killer
Hey, who's
is
that? Where you
wildly overpowered. Why don't
Hey,
you
where
just
going?
why don't you just pick a killer that has a gun? Alright?
Sluggo, is that you?
It's Sluggo,
I want
guys.
to help you.
It's baby
Huh?
Sluggo.
Sluggo, I want to help you. I'm here for you.
Don't let him
man.
help you. Don't listen to Champ.
I cleansed a totem, so fuck you, buddy.
Oh, nice,
Oh,
dude. It ain't
And
easy repairing random generators. Oh, sorry.
I had him going around this log for like an hour.
He did not. Don't believe him. He's sensationalizing things.
This
as
is actually an
usual.
international freeze tag champion, so the only reason he didn't take home the top spot is he declined it to second place. He's too humble.
It's a curious thing to do.
Kendrick Lamar came up with that song for him.
The song about being generator repairman.
Sit down. Repair.
Sit down. Fix generator.
Hey, Diz, I see you, man.
No, man. Run! Oh, God!
Just let me take you, man. Just let me
Oh,
take
no!
I'm out, dude. I'm sorry.
No!
Oh.
you. Sorry, friend. Not sorry.
Yeah, you are
You
sorry.
are always the worst person at this game.
Oh my god, why are you so harsh? Is Champ baby guarding you?
Yeah.
For real?
Oh, yeah.
That's whack. Hang tough, buddy. Oh, he's just right on top! Live on, live on. This baby guarding bastard.
Oh! Oh, no!
Difficult's a maniac.
Captain Tryhard over here.
Let me just turn your perks off, yes.
Two down.
I'm so strong, yes. Disgusting.
That's that for him. Where's his savior at, huh? Where's he at?
Get out of here.
The once powerful savior of Dizzle.
Get out of here.
Wrought low and driven into the
Choppa,
mud.
where are you, man?
I'm fixing a generator.
You fucking fixing generators, you punk ass bitch.
Oh my god, this is dead. Great. Still
Gone,
can't
fellas.
find me though, you trash pile.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I couldn't do a thorough check, I see.
That's pretty thick when you got 2 GTXs running, dude.
Why don't you finish me off? You scared of Wild Billy Boy?
I like to keep my prey guessing, man.
Oh, I just
back.
gotta watch it go down.
Come back, man.
no.
Run, run.
Yeah,
Smash
Sluggo, run.
spacebar.
Leave
Maybe you'll be able to.
leave-
Maybe you'll be able to
Leave
push
me
something.
the chopper, dude. Leave me the
Choppa.
chopper.
Choppa's already a ghost.
No.
Leave me the
Dude.
chopper, dude.
Choppa's a ghost. You'll never
Leave me
find
the
him.
chopper. Let me find you a nice hook. Don't worry, dude. We're almost to the hook. You're probably not even close to filling that bar up. There you go. You still got 4 generators left, Chopper. Hope you get that. Go ahead, struggle, man. Yeah.
Oh man,
Yeah, try to free yourself some more.
this dude's
Nice.
playing like his MLG
Nice.
career depends on it.
Yeah.
You just way
Yeah,
too
no.
fucking much.
Oh, wow. Didn't even get out. Oh, Bob Russ is back up, huh? That's fun. This will be quick. He's always the worst player. Oh, where you going, Bob? Bobby, Bob, come back. I'll help you fix this thing, man. We'll figure it out together.
Oh my goodness.
We'll get it back together, man. Come on. I got the schematics. Yeah, I'll let
Why are you
Chopper-
running away? Why are you leaving the generator, huh? You can't jump down. You gotta take the stairs. Safety, man. Defiantly jumps.
Choppa. Choppa.
No.
Right to him.
that dense foliage. I understand, dude. You thought the 2 GTXs were gonna save you. My draw distance is also my ally, dude. You hang out right there, man. I'll be back soon with a friend for you.
Yeah, right. You're gonna baby guard.
Nah, I'm gonna go look for you, dude. Where you at?
He's just standing right
Yeah, he hasn't even moved.
I'm not.
I can see Choppa's screen, dude.
This dude, this killer, man. It's like playing against some random. Holy fuck.
I'm looking for you. Where you at? Huh? Who else wants to be consumed by daylight? Oh wait, only one person left, I guess. Shit. Come on, man. Only 4 generators left, dude. You got it.
Oh no.
Generator pick.
Get it over with. The worst.
Bill, no.
Go ahead, Bill. You got a chance to free yourself, man.
Oh, maybe somebody else should be the killer this time.
I thought that was a pretty fun game. You guys mad at me for making an authentic killer experience. There's no perks in real life.
Or the greatest DLC killer they've ever put in this game. Everybody
Yeah.
thought they were gonna put him in as a survivor, dude. Everybody. And then boom, last second, they made the switch.
That's why I like this developer, dude. They keep it fresh.
So fresh.
Well,
I
they got
gotta
their
invite
own,
them.
they got their
I
own
gotta
private
invite them.
room.
Yeah, well,
Oh.
Jamsquad became Dingle Boys. We're not really, but that's where they hang out.
Oh no! Oh no!
Yeah, they're the Dingle Boys.
Squad's been split. The battle lines have been drawn, dude. In there with Squid Turkey.
Oh, you have that room? Let's just go in there with them.
No, it's already been established.
I don't want. Come on, dude. Let's just go in there.
Dude, what are you doing, man? What? You want
We
to go
can-
in there with them?
We can go to their house. Be all right.
Beeftron's offline. Damn it. I don't know who Beeftron is, but he's on my friends. These guys aren't even coming to Dead by Daylight, man. They don't respect us. Welcome to the best Discord chat room there is.
The best Discord chat for the best Shadow Priest in North America.
He lost to my bot in PvP. Turned my bot on and they killed him.
I don't think I've ever played WoW with you.
To be fair, your bot did most of your PvP. If we're talking about hours here, you probably got more time in. Your little brother, little brother was
just kept
killing it.
learning. Just kept learning, getting stronger.
Hooked it to the
How did I know
neural
you're a Shadow Priest if I never played with you?
learning
Bizzle?
computer.
He doesn't have Hater's Ball access. Not the
So
VIP.
exclusive. Just like the VIP room in Star Wars.
So coveted.
Never seen it. Never will.
Every time I try to look at Choppa's screen, he just backhand me.
Away with you. You guys are gonna download it too. Star Wars: The Old Republic. It's got 9 out of 10 by IGN. Sorry, it's a 9 out of 10 on IGN, dude.
I'm bought
Got
3
it.
copies right now.
You rebuy it?
I love buying it. Why do you think Choppa and I have been able to move out?
I love how everything's just evolved and us paying for stupid shit.
Because I also find it hilarious, but I shouldn't. My humor should be more refined than that. But it's such a dumb thing to be in games that the satire of it is fucking hilarious to me. Because there are actual people like that, dude. There are people who just, like, if they could just go up to the game and just slide their credit card through and just have all the achievements for it, they would do that. And that's so crazy to me.
Oh
I
god.
started in a disk drive for the PlayStation.
Like, the satisfaction doesn't even come from playing the game. It comes from having some kind of completionist or superior or exclusive status. It's so bizarre.
Disgusting.
It's just strange.
This is talking like he's done it before. Sounds like it.
We've all been there, man, in the gutter, just throwing our money at loot boxes.
I would have never had an epic mod.
Strung out of my mind on Hearthstone cards, whatever boxes.
Just need one more pack.
Just one more.
Then I'll get into the competitive league and I'll make all of it back.
That's what they all say, dude.
Dude, they just redid the cartel market, dude. Easier transaction.
What's the exchange rate on Hut coins?
700 to 1.
$700 US to 1 Hut coin? It's brilliant.
Fucking bargain.
I'm telling you. Fuck Bitcoin and all that nonsense. We need to start buying up all the old game currency we can. There's gonna be a boom. The MMO boom it's coming around, dude. It's like disco. It's just gonna come right back, and people are gonna be chomping at the bits for that gold.
Dude, they might shut down Tor, dude. We gotta get back up in there.
To shut it down.
2019.
They can't shut it down. What are they bringing galaxies back? There must always be one Star Wars MMO.
No, dude. Dead game.
Pod racing, the MMO.
One lap matches.
Mobile port.
That'd be so tight.
Everything's pay to win.
Just draining your battery.
You could just buy Jedi to pull your pod.